pointers declared like this with a star int is a ptr is a pointer of type integer. So that means it can only point to address, it can hold only an address of pointer data type. And you can also initialize like this and give the array, and this also can be done like this. ptr, just give the array, it will take the pointer of the array, or you can give the address of the first element. In this case, here is an array of 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is ARR, and PTR is a pointer location, a memory address, and this is pointing to this. And using that pointer, we can get the value, like dereference this, and we get the first one. And if we do PTR plus plus, it will go to the next one, and then you print, you get the 2. And this initialization equivalent to address of the first element. And here printf function is printing the first element. Pointer concept is very important in C and C++ programming language.